Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and I'm coming on today with a little bit different of a haul. It's not super crafty. Technically, it's not crafty at all. It's Bath and Body Works, but I did grab a couple things for a swap, so that's what makes it crafty. But I thought that I would share. It's a semi-annual sale. This is like one of my favorite times, especially the summer one. So they do it in December, usually right after Christmas or shortly after Christmas, and then they do it right around Father's Day every year, like mid-June, because it's my mom's birthday and my husband's birthday and his Father's Day, so I just always kind of remember it. And I went in to get some stuff for my mom for her birthday because I do it every year. She's a candle girly like me, so I thought that I would share some of the things that I found. I am a big candle lover. I don't light my candles. I use a candle lamp or warmer, whatever you want to call it. But I thought I would share some of the things I got. So this is my new favorite scent of the year. This is Viva Brazil. I love this. I've bought I smelled it probably like a month ago when I was on vacation, and I was like, oh, that smells so good, but I didn't want to buy stuff. I didn't want to travel with it. I was like, oh, I'll wait until the semi-annual sale because I knew it was coming up. And I absolutely love this scent. This scent it's got guava, maracuja, zest, and coconut water, but all I smell is guava. I like guava. I have like two other guava scents in my perfume collection that I really enjoy. I've already put this under my candle warmer once, I think for a couple hours, and love it. And I got everything to go with it, but I'll show you that in a second. I'll go over candles first. I also picked up this Sunwash Santal. If you like a musky kind of scent, this one's really good. It's bergamot, white violet, and amber wood. It smells like kind of very fall, winter kind of smell. It's very clean, masculine. I don't know how to explain it, but this is one of my newer favorite scents this year too. And I don't know if this was just because these were on for the semi-annual sale, but they all have the same lid that says White Barn, and I did a pickup order for these, so I didn't get a chance to like go through the candles and like look, because sometimes like if a candle like lid is super scratched up, I'll switch it out for one that's not. Not that it really matters. They just go in a cabinet. Nobody really sees them, but they all have this weird lid that I have not seen before. So I don't know if anybody else has noticed that or if it's just me. The next one I picked up is Book Loft. I have one that I've had for a couple years now, but I picked up another one. This one is very kind of masculine smell as well. It's very, I don't know how to explain it. It reminds me of just, book lovers, book girlies will know. It's just kind of a winter, musky, library type of scent, very kind of refined. I don't know how to explain it, but it's bergamot woods and a warm blanket. What does that really mean? Yeah, I don't know. This one is, see, I probably wouldn't have picked out this candle, but again, it's not really going to matter. Seems like most of them are like that. But yeah, I guess it is what it is. I did order pickup because I just didn't feel like going in and dealing with people. So, that's what I get. I also got the Viva Brazil and the fragrance boosters. I really like these. I know some people don't. They are kind of pricey, but these are 50% off, so I only paid $10 a piece for them, which is what I would pay for Unstoppables and stuff like that. Unstoppables, I think it's number 26 is currently my favorite. But I'm excited to use this one, and then my hubby really likes this one, so I ordered another one of these. Again, these are half off. They're $10. He really likes this one. This one's okay. It's more of like a kind of a manly smell. This one, let's see, what does it tell me what the fragrance? Oh, it's lavender, pear blossom, and crisp linen. So it is very nice and clean. Anyway, so those are the two I got of the fragrance boosters. This is what I picked up for a swap. There's an ice cream swap. Hopefully I can get to it. So I picked up this Napoleon ice cream. These were, I don't know, I think these were half off. I'm not 100% sure, of course, because pickup I don't get a normal receipt, and the receipt is on my phone, and I'm currently recording on my phone. They're probably around $5 a piece, right around there, give or take a little bit. But I picked up 2 Napoleon ice creams. When I smell it, I smell chocolate. It says that it has strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate, and all I smell is really chocolate. Maybe once it's on the skin, the dry down you might be able to pick up more notes, but I smell chocolate, but that's fine. And look how pretty the bottle is. Really pretty. I picked up the mist in the Viva Brazil. I picked up the lotion in the Viva Brazil, and I picked up hand soap in the Viva Brazil. I picked up a couple other hand soaps, ones that we always carry. Like my husband he likes summery, fruity smell, so I picked up Waikiki, Honolulu Sun, just like the basics, anything fruity he really likes. I prefer more like sweater weather. I really like any of the fall and like Halloween type of scents, like amberies. Those are usually what I like, but this one is my favorite, so he's not allowed to touch this one. And then last but not least, I picked up this Costa Rica. I really liked this. It was, I don't know, I feel like I don't have anything quite like this. They did a raspberry or a pineapple scent a little while ago, like maybe a couple years ago, that was very similar. It says pineapple, palm sugar, and sun-drenched nectar. But it smells very similar to the pineapple one that came out a couple years ago. And it could just be repackaging, but this one smells really good as well. So that is my Bath & Body Works haul. These are right around, I think these are like $4.97 or something like that. Soaps were like $3.97-ish. Body lotions, I think, were $5 something, if I remember correctly. No, maybe they're the same price. These are the same price. So these are like, yeah, $4 something is what they ended up coming up to. These 2 candles were $10.99. But the Viva Brazil, which I'm surprised, I don't know why, these were only $7.99. I should have picked up more, but I had a hard time just getting this one. I had to shop around to a couple different stores. I could have had it shipped, but I've had bad luck with Bath & Body Works shipping me stuff. I always get broken candles, and that really irritates me. So I decided to pick up, and I had to drive just a little bit and shop around, and there was only one store that I could find the Viva Brazil, and I probably should have grabbed another one, and I didn't. It was hot yesterday when I went to go pick them up. We've had storms, so it was humid. It was like, I wasn't feeling like in a shoppy mood. I just kind of, sent my husband and he's like, oh, they had more. And I'm like, it doesn't matter. It's okay. Just go pick up my order. But this is what I got. If you haven't yet, stopped in, I highly suggest it. I think they'll probably go for another week or so. It usually lasts a couple weeks. They usually go until the stuff is pretty much gone. So they have a really good selection of the 75% off. They have a decent selection of the 50% off. All of the princess stuff. So they have Rapunzel, Snow White, Aurora, Tatiana. I think that was it. I think there was just the 4 princesses, because it wasn't any of the, like, I really thought maybe there would be Belle or Ariel. I didn't see those 2. I think I only seen those 4. All that stuff is 75% off. The candles are on sale as well. Anyway, they're really good deals. I usually, I'll stop into Bath & Body Works if I have a coupon or if there's something I really, really want. But I love their semi-annual sale, and I highly suggest anybody that, likes their stuff, their soaps, their lotions, this is the time to get it. So, happy shopping out there.